Hey everybody, it's so nice to be back. I'm sorry I've been gone for so long on Facebook. Today I was encouraged to do a video because I'm trying to figure out new styles for my hair. I wear it straight 99% of the time, or it's up in a clip because of the gym. So anyway, I'm going to try out two beauty tools. One is the Beachwaver, which I already have heating up right here. And this is one where you clip your hair at the end and you actually press a button and it automatically twirls it up because I'm looking to do some kind of like loose waves, okay? So I've used this before, but then I saw a friend whose hair looked amazing the other day, and she said she used the, this is from Dry Bar, and it's called the 3-Day Bender. So it's a full-size wand, but what you do differently, and I'll show you this, is you actually start at the top of your head closest to the root, and then the barrel you have to manipulate the barrel and twirl your hair through it and then hold it for a few seconds and release. This one definitely had a learning curve for me. Actually, both of them did. Since I'm thinking about it, when I first got Beachwaver, I wasn't very clear. So I lost a few hairs, let's just say that. So I'm going to do one side with the Beachwaver, one side with the 3-Day Bender from Dry Bar, and then we're going to decide together if there's big enough difference to keep both, or if there's a huge call out and you like one better than the other. Sound good? All right. Okay, you guys, so I've done my hair. I did, let's see how I turn here. Let me make sure. Okay, I did this side with the Beachwaver. Okay, Beachwaver over here. What do we think? And I obviously didn't do the back. So you can tell that it's dropped. So because this one starts at the bottom and twirls up and you can't get as close to your root, I think it creates a very, very pretty look, but it's really different because then, and by the way, this one is really easy, but, oh, and I'm sorry I have a burn on my finger. That's not from these tools, that's from the oven. Anyway, there is a learning curve to both, so it did take me a few tries upon getting both of these tools. Okay, so Beachwaver is on this side, and then this side is with the 3-Day Bender. So what do we think? Okay, now also, they always say, like, if you feel like the curls are tight, you can pull on them when they're still warm. But it's very interesting because at first I thought, oh, it's Beachwaver hands down. But then when I started to do the 3-Day Bender, because it goes closer to your root, I feel like it gave my hair more lift. And so you can see that it's straighter down at the ends. So very interesting, right? I don't know. What do you guys think? Anyway, they run about $140 each, so it's kind of steep. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do here. But I did get this one at Ulta for 20% off coupon, which is definitely helpful. I kind of like the look of both. I think it's very neat. And this is with no product in my hair at all. So I'm probably going to spray like a little bit of a shine spray. I have a really good one. I'll find out the name and I'll get back to you. But meanwhile, also I wanted to let you know that I'm going to be talking about a new nail product from Butter London, and I'm hoping to be able to do that for you tomorrow. But I definitely like your feedback on what you think about my hair, and if any of you out there have used these tools yourself and which one you really like. All right, thanks.